Hi there, this is Tyler from the AWS Marketplace team, and in this video I'm going to share an introduction to AWS Marketplace. This includes a brief service overview and information as to why our customers and technology partners are increasingly adopting this service as a strategic sales channel. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This is the AWS Marketplace homepage. It's a curated digital software catalog that lets AWS customers find, test, and purchase third-party software licenses. Customers use our catalog to discover and deploy software from popular categories including operating systems, security, networking, and DevOps. To see our full list of categories, navigate to the Categories tab in our menu bar. Similarly, if you are searching for software that is specific to a deployment option, navigate to our Delivery Methods tab, which includes our full list of supported delivery methods. Supported methods today include Amazon Machine Images, Container Images, Software as a Service, and Professional Services. If you have a software product or a vendor in mind, simply type the name or keyword in our search bar above. Now, AWS Marketplace is unique because it's a sell-through channel for our software vendor partners and an actual AWS service which is accessible to all customers through their management console. All AWS Marketplace transactions are consolidated into a customer's AWS bill. We have a growing ecosystem of sellers listing products and services in our digital catalog with over 325,000 customers deploying software in a variety of ways. Now, today there are two ways that customers can purchase these products. The first is through self-service methods. For example, if a customer has already identified a product and they want to procure a software license, she or he can click to subscribe at their convenience and begin the onboarding process with little to no intervention from either AWS Marketplace or the seller. The second method is through our private offer feature. This allows sellers to customize product pricing and terms for a particular customer. Consider this a white glove experience where sellers can control the contract terms and payment schedules as they see fit. So now that we know what AWS Marketplace is, why are customers increasingly purchasing software through this service? The feedback we hear most from customers is that they love consolidating third-party software expenses into their AWS bill. This is a great way to accelerate transactions because traditionally our customers have established budgets and leverage our cost management solutions. Customers also love that we provide the ability to pay as they go and consume third-party software the same way they consume AWS services. They also value the ability to choose flexible payment terms. We have a feature known as Flexible Payment Scheduler that lets customers and sellers define the specific dates they want to be billed for software. And finally, customers love how easy and secure it is to purchase software while having the assurance that every single product has been curated by AWS. Now, what does that actually mean? This means our operations team tests the product integrations and the onboarding flow to ensure there are no errors when transacting through AWS Marketplace. As more customers leverage AWS Marketplace, what are the benefits for becoming a seller? There are a number of benefits, and ultimately it depends on the goals each seller is trying to achieve and what they think is truly best for their customers. Now, the feedback we hear most from sellers is that AWS Marketplace allows them to sell the way customers want to buy. Our customers are used to buying software in a consumption format, and they want to buy third-party software in that same format when applicable. They also want to consolidate this spend into their AWS bill, as more customers are leveraging our budgeting services to optimize their overall cloud spend. And so by virtue of selling in AWS Marketplace, sellers are able to streamline software procurement for AWS customers. It also allows them to grow their customer base. As previously mentioned, AWS Marketplace has roughly 325,000 active customers, And on top of that, AWS has millions of customers who have access to this service. AWS Marketplace is immediately available to customers when they create an AWS account. Regardless of what region they're in, they have access to AWS Marketplace. We regularly hear that AWS Marketplace improves the efficiency and profitability of how sellers transact with our customers. We have a number of sellers who have shared that they've accelerated their sales cycles, some upwards of 50%, just by selling through AWS Marketplace. Now, a key reason for this is because we've eliminated the undifferentiated heavy lifting that comes with working with procurement teams, that comes with requesting and approving software purchases. Ultimately, sellers who list their products or services in AWS Marketplace leverage our global scale to minimize their user acquisition costs, to accelerate transactions, and to reduce their overall sales cycles. If you would like to learn more about our private offer feature, our flexible payment scheduler feature, or AWS Marketplace in general, please review our seller guide and our buyer guide, which has more information on requirements and how to get started. Lastly, check out our YouTube channel. This includes content on AWS Marketplace, recent launch announcements, and product demos. All right, that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.